All right, welcome to the next lesson. In this lesson, we're going to do area of circles. We already did circumference, and now we're going to do area. And we're going to keep with the person puzzle because you guys were used to doing that yesterday, so we're going to do that again today. So that way, you don't have to worry about trying to figure out the activity. You're more interested in understanding what we're doing, the concept. So the target statement, today I will analyze circles so I can determine. We're going to have a little bit of circumference as a reminder, and then area of a circle. I'll know I have it when I can apply the correct formula and solve for the variable. The instructions. Person puzzles are short math practice activities that incorporate the biography of an inspirational person who has an impact on the world. In this document, you will solve 8 different problems. There's only 8, you guys. There's not a whole lot, just 8. Be sure to show all necessary work in the space provided. Each correct answer will give you a missing piece of the person's biography. You're going to take that word or phrase and bring it up to the sentence. Some of you guys just put in an answer. You need to follow all the steps. These are the instructions. So you're going to drag the clues into the blanks provided, and you're going to highlight the answer, and you're going to show your work. And I'm going to demonstrate that through these slides of what I want to see. So Mario Lemieux, I'm not sure how to say his name. He's an ice hockey legend. He rewrote this sports record books, having led his team to multiple championships and his country to the gold medals. He is one of the most decorated athletes in his generation. So despite being unable to play for 3 years due to cancer, diagnosis and injuries, his career statistics still stand up as the best of all time. So not only was he just an all-around great person because of how he was, but he was also a great athlete. So for all my athletes out there, you can do a lot of great things even with hardships. So he had cancer diagnosis, he had injuries, but he still was a great athlete because he pushed himself into this. Now, when I tell you guys to invest in yourself, that's what I mean. Not just with sports, where you go out and you practice over and over and over again to try and become the best you can. But it also is the same with math. You have to practice and you have to go through all the steps. Think of it like drills. You have to go through all the steps in order to become good at it. You can't just do it once and think you're a master. You have to do it over and over and over again. Stick yourself in different situations in order to become really good at what you're doing. Your mind works by repetition. And so the more we do things, the better you become. So that's why I need you to do the same thing on each slide. So that way you can become good and you can get, what do they call it? Something memory, where you've done it so many different times that it's muscle memory, where you've done it so many different times that your body just automatically does it. Well, the same is with your mind. You've done it so many different times, it becomes an automatic thing. So that's what I mean by invest in yourself. Take the time to do this now. It's just 8 problems. You can do it.